Hi guys! So it's been a bit of a 90s nostalgic day. Not on purpose, just 90s R&B playing on the radio while I'm running my errands with my hubs. And we went to a Starbucks next to a Barnes & Noble. Haven't seen a Barnes & Noble in forever. It brings back the 90s vibe memory. So today we are making the Jennifer Aniston salad from Friends. She ate this on set a lot, apparently. Some people say she ate it every day for 10 years. It's all very mysterious, and some are like, probably not, whatever. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys how I'm using this cool bento box thing too, in case you were taking it to go. So we're gonna treat it like a to-go salad. Probably have it for lunch though. So let's start with, I usually start with chickpeas, which I just put right here. So you do the chickpeas, drain them into the big bowl. Boop. So it looks like that. All right, and then I go into doing the next heftiest. So I go like heftiest to lightest. So I end with herbs and sauces. Next we get a cucumber. I use a good amount of cucumber. You can also cut it lengthwise for this if you want to save time. Okay guys, so I like to chop my cucumbers lengthwise like this, little slivers. It just makes it easier to go across like this. And then you cross hatch them the other direction. Once you've done all of the lengthwise, you turn them and just do a nice little chef's chop this way. Watch your fingers. I turned my red onion upside down. You can use about a half to a whole depending on the size. Cross hatched it and put it in the bowl here. I decided it was really dumb to put the cucumber in the top here. I need the room, so I put them in with the chickpeas. Because they're both kind of like tough and watery, they should be fine together. Nothing's gonna mess with it like the onion would if I was like taking this on a road trip. So here's me just moving it over. Here we go in with the mint. I love the mint in this salad. It's so aromatic and delicious. And then here's the feta. This is the one I'm using. I'm just putting like a good handful of feta in the top here on the side, like so. Chopping up the mint. And I'm nestling that mint in next to the feta, mint, not mint, and then some parsley. Same thing. Next, we have the roasted salted pistachio nuts, which are amazing. You can put them in whole, but they recommend that you chop them, which gives more flavor in each bite. I buy them already shelled. I gave those chickpeas and cucumber a quick stir together in the big bowl. Now on to making the easiest dressing you've ever made with that little centerpiece in the bento box. Just open it up. I did a little olive oil in here. I just kind of did it by sight, but you can do it in like tablespoons if you want to do like 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I do a whole lemon, and if they're small, I do 1.5 like here. And of course, a little fresh ground pepper and salt in the dressing and on the salad. Close the lid. This is how it looks when it's all together. Just put the top on top of the bowl. And then we put the snap lid on top of that with the fork included. I'll leave the link for this for those of you who want it. And when you're ready to eat it, you just unsnap the top. Take out the little dressing in the middle and the bento box off the top. And then carefully pour in the top crunchy ingredients, anything you want to keep dry in your salad to keep the crunch or whatever. I give it a good stir here, probably. There's a fork included on this particular bowl. Great for on the go. Just stirring it up good. Go easy with the salad dressing. You can always add more, but you can't undress it. You know what I mean? Give it a good stir. The Jennifer Aniston salad, my friends, so delicious. I've been eating it all summer. Enjoy.